Hey YouTube, Rail here, back with another daily devlog for the R-Cube engine. We are still working on the asset packer, so we didn't meet our planned deadline of 1 week, but that's okay. This is going to be something we can use for every project, so we're just going to keep working on it until it's done. So we're still working on reading GLTF files. I've made some progress here. We've got, let me pull up the specification again. So this is actually pretty great, this spec image that they've got here. So I got this copied out into a couple of struct definitions and the magic value, the GLTF, and the bin and JSON values here. Oh, you probably can't read that, YouTube. That text is itty bitty. But trust me, it tells you magic values in there you can use to check if you're in the right chunk. So now I've got the start of the binary data. I kind of went back to just trying to push into this JSON text with just some counters and evaluating characters, which is working, but it's not really the way I want to do it. I want to get an actual JSON parser going, but I wanted to make sure I was getting the right data first. So that's what I'll be working on tomorrow, going back in the direction of that JSON parser, which I've already got some of it working here. So we just need to push harder on this portion of the code. And then once we get that working, we'll have mesh data loaded in. I will probably keep working on the asset packer after that because I want to change the way that fonts work. I want to automatically create a texture atlas sort of a thing out of the fonts and then create a mapping. So I'll make a new struct or something that will hold mappings, which will tell you here's the first section of this image. You can take it, and that's a complete image, and here's the second section and the third section. So that'll just be like rectangle coordinates. And so then you'll have an image and you'll have a mapping, and they'll go together. And I'll use that for the textures for the blocks, and then I'll also use that for the textures that are the different letters in one of our fonts. And that's pretty different to the way that Handmade Hero does things, so that'll be a rewrite there. But that's going to be better for drawing with OpenGL. I won't have to change textures to change letters. And that's also how we're already doing things for blocks, for voxels. So that'll keep that performance going there. So yeah, that is the plan for asset packing. I will keep working on that. If you want to ask any questions about the game or the code or what we're doing, there's a link in the thing down there. You can join our Discord, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Until then, you have a good one, YouTube. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.